The big story today, the global slowdown and market mayhem has taken its toll, it seems, on India's airline industry. Hundreds of people have lost their jobs. Jet Airways has served termination notices to more than 800 cabin crew and executives. Kingfisher too is likely to trim its staff strength from its present 10,000. Airlines are also indicating at a fresh hike in fares. So that's the news. Jet Airways sacked employees gathered together to protest in Mumbai this afternoon. They met Maharashtra Navnirman Sena chief Raj Thackeray, who indicated that his party would block flights of Jet Airways if they weren't taken back. Employees who got their termination letters yesterday say there is no mention of any compensation. Some say they were not even sent letters but fired verbally.
It will hamper our career and it will hamper our future. If they are planning to terminate us, then why they have recruited us?
That we don't know anything right now. We don't know. We came here just for this thing only. We don't know anything. Yeah, we got terminated. This thing we know that we got terminated. But why we don't know this thing?
कल हम लोगों को कॉल आया है कि हमारे we are no more in the company. So there is no compensation letter we have got, and this is the termination letter if you want to see.
क्या बीत रही है हमारे मोहम्मद ने हमारे लिए आज तक इतना कुछ किया है और ये इन लोगों ने जस्ट एक दिन में ये सब फैसला कर दिया। क्या समझते हैं अपने बारे में?
Without any notice, they have just called up. My friend messaged and she told me that look Prithvi, we are all terminated. I don't believe you.
You have to call up in the evening after 6 o'clock to know your status with the company. And then suddenly when I call up in the evening and ask them, they tell me ki sorry dear, you have been terminated for the company, and they didn't assign us any reasons for that.
आणि ते जर समजा या गोष्टीसाठी ठाम राहिले.
If they are adamant about this issue, then I too will make sure that no Jet Airways flight takes off from Maharashtra.
विमान उडू देणार नाही.
Well, that was Raj Thackeray of the Maharashtra Navnirman Sena a short while ago after terminated employees of Jet Airways went to meet him this afternoon. And the worst may not be over yet. In a statement released moments earlier, Jet Airways has indicated that more layoffs are likely soon. And let's quote that statement now. We are in the process of releasing personnel in other areas, including cockpit crew and management personnel. This will cut across all activities of the company. Jet has been watching the situation for some time in the hope that it may turn around, but has now reached a stage at which some hard decisions are inevitable. We wish to clarify that this adjustment in personnel numbers did not result from the planned alliance with Kingfisher Airlines. In fact, speaking of Kingfisher, even that company is likely to lay off its employees. Both the airlines, Kingfisher and Jet, have defended their decision.
That very clearly, both Mr. Goel and me have said that there is no equity swap on the cards at all. This is purely an operational alliance, and we have clarified everything.
What about laying off staff?
I have laid off staff. They have laid off staff. Wherever we need to cut our costs and be more efficient, we'll do whatever it takes.
We all are here to protect the interest of our employees. Whatever we are because of them. So it's not the question when you say those people were on probation and temporary basis or whatever probation, they are not this. The idea is not to get rid of the people or staff and all that. There are bigger issues to be dealt with.
And the Civil Aviation Minister has washed his hands off the matter, saying that his ministry has no jurisdiction in the matter. Listen to what Praful Patel had to say.
जहाँ तक HR issues है, these are governed by the different authorities. So I do not think as Ministry of Civil Aviation, I can take a decision and give any directive as to HR issues because they are governed by separate laws in our country and there are separate agencies which are